Aloha! I would love to talk with you today about a queen. And queen, that is you. Queen Nani. Nani means beautiful, and you are beautiful. Queen Nani. Jasmine Radiance Resurfacing Mask. This little potion joined MAHALO skincare ritual in 2022 and has now earned its space on the shelf as a must-have beauty treat. I would love to highlight it with you right now specifically because she has been out of stock for a little while we were collecting all of the incredible ingredients that go into making this formula. Now that it's freshly back in stock and available, I would love to highlight some of its incredible potency and also share some information that could be helpful in how to best indulge your skin to this product and how Queen Nani fits into your MAHALO routine or any other products you use together with Queen Nani. So first of all, Queen Nani, I have it inside the box and inside of the box. I call her a few things. First, this is your 2-minute facial in a jar. It also, I call this your Hawaiian garden in a jar. Why both things? Both of them are actually related to the ingredients of Queen Nani, and those are the incredible botanical tropical acid, Alpha Hydroxy Acids, which are very important to any discerning skincare connoisseur or discerning skincare beauty. You know how important AHAs and BHAs, beta hydroxy acids, to our skin because they help cellular turnover. They help to remove the top layer of skin that is no longer serving and is preventing you from really absorbing all the incredible nutrients that you apply with your face oils or balms, etc. This is actually, having said that, why I now have Queen Nani as part of my must-have beauty ritual versus before I would say, well, you can incorporate a face mask but see how it fits into the routine. When we launched the Queen Nani, I now say this is your must-have once a week or once every 10 days, depending on how your skin ritual goes, as part of your beauty self-care. The alpha hydroxy acids that are in this product, first of all, they are intelligently formulated. This is not, very important to say, this is not the product that you see on the internet that will peel your skin. That's not going to happen here. But it does help disrupt the outermost layer of your skin. So then once you rinse the product, it helps to remove it from together with the acids. The shingles of the dry skin that are layered on top, the alpha hydroxy acids help to shift it away, disturb it, and help to rinse it off when you rinse the mask. The ingredients that are here is what makes me call the Queen Nani the Hawaiian garden in a jar. And these ingredients, they shine in their full potency with their acids, their tropical acids really come to like in full bloom. The acids here, lactic, glycolic, malic, tartaric acid, and they come from papaya, mango, mangosteen, passion fruit, tamarind, lemon, orange, the banana array of the tropical fruits that when you eat and it makes your tongue tingle. Those are the acids that make your skin remove that outermost layer, revealing what I call smooth skin as a baby's bum. And that is thanks to the acids in this product. I would like to now, let me talk about the size, because this is one of the questions I've heard people ask, that it's so small. This again ties to everything that is in Mahalo skincare. Everything is intentional. I don't create anything that is by accident. The 15 milliliter jar has been selected for how long this product is designed to last in your ritual, how much you need to use for the application, and how often you use it for your skincare. As you can see, the consistency of the mask, I call it a tropical chutney. And chutney, for growing up, I've spent a lot of years in India. It's the fruit kind of jelly that has bits of fruit in it. So that's the consistency of the Queen Nani. For your application, as you use this about once a week or every 10 days, you can use it every 5 days, but I would not recommend more than that. You need to give your intelligent skin time to cycle through, to rejuvenate. Once you help remove that outermost layer, nourish with Rare Indigo, with Vitality Elixir, with Hawaiian Hydration, so it really becomes that healthy, balanced skin. And once you see the environmental effect on your skin starts to pile up, there comes in Queen Nani and helps to really clean it away. When you're ready to apply, you will remove the makeup, Unveil Cleanser, best friend. You will dry your skin. Your skin is best when it's dry. Pat dry, don't rub too much for this one. And then you go with about, this much of the product. You do need to use very little. This is a potent, you need a thin veil, really. You use the Unveil product to cleanse, and then you apply a very thin layer of the Queen Nani on your skin. It's really best when you apply it with a brush. I will do a separate video when I'm not all queen dressed up sharing beauty with you. I'll take you to my bathroom and I'll show you how to apply it. But you need to go very little, thin layer. It's very important. I would like to tell you to avoid applying it on your skin, of your neck, pardon me. The neck of our skin is different thickness. It's a lot thinner, and it can actually cause irritation. This way you can peel a little bit and be red. And definitely avoid the area, of course, in your eye. So forehead, cheeks, top of the nose, not too much into the creases of your nose. There's nothing happening in the creases that you need to put acids in there, okay? So over the top of your lip, very gentle, around your chin, what is this called? Jaw, cheek, yes? So apply it, a very thin layer. You wait, I call this 2-minute facial, anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. You will feel a slight tingle on your skin, and then go ahead and rinse it off with water very gently, nice lukewarm water, not too much rubbing on the skin, and pat it to dry. You can give your skin a few minutes to just adjust, because you will be flushed. You might feel a little bit of that flushed redness and see and feel it on your skin. That's absolutely normal. You just helped your skin remove that top dead layer of skin. Once you cleansed, dried, let it sit, let your skin breathe for a minute, then you can continue and follow with Flower of Flowers, Hawaiian Hydration to really give the vitamins and minerals back to your skin. And a really great thing that works beautifully in conjunction with Queen Nani is the Rare Indigo Balm. Where is it? The Rare Indigo Balm, because this is beautifully calming, anti-inflammatory, soothing balm. So it helps your skin take a breath after just being touched with the Alpha Hydroxy Acids. So Queen Nani is an incredible product that I actually, before I started using this, I did not realize how much my skin not just needed, but how much it will start to miss having this treatment. As I said, we've been out of stock for a few months actually of Queen Nani now, and I have not been using it on my skin, and I could see the increase in congestion. I would have more of the white acne come up. I would have more around my nose, more congestion started to happen. So it's almost like in not having Queen Nani in my ritual, when I realized how great this product is to have in my skincare routine. So now that I get to have this back, I am committing to weekly treatments with Queen Nani for 5 minutes. My skin is I have more resilient skin. So 5 minutes works really well for me. If this is your first introduction, I would definitely invite you to start with 2 or even patch test. You can patch test to see how it reacts, and then build it up to 5 minutes. You can even do 7 minutes as well, but no more than 10. These are potent botanical tropical acids. Simple example I can give you, if you eat pineapple, if you eat too much pineapple, your tongue will start to sting after a while. So this is the same thing. This is not what we call a chemical peel, like I mentioned to you. This is not those really strong lactic, strong acid peels where you need to have almost medical supervision to go through this. This is botanical, gentle, intelligent, really helping to shake up the shingle. Shake up the shingles. I can't help myself. I have to do a little humor everywhere now and then. You're shaking up the shingles of the skin of the outermost layer with the acids, helping to rinse them off and reveal more youthful underlayers of the skin that are ready to continue again through this evolution and the cycling. All you're basically doing is helping skin cycle dead cells faster. So to go back to the size really quickly, if you are wondering that this jar is too small, I once again would like to let you know that this was chosen intentionally for its size. It is designed to last you like the rest of our line within 5 to 6 months or so. Like for example, the petal, which is this gorgeous 100 milliliter jar, will actually last you about the same time as the Queen Nani. I mean, this is not an optical illusion. This is a bigger jar, but with the petal, and if you know this incredible skin indulgence, you know that using a nice generous amount is what this product is made for. I won't talk much about the petal here because this is the Queen's time, but with the petal you want to take a generous scoop and really indulge your face, your neck. This is where you can really stretch to your décolleté to let the enzymes and the rose and the humectants to really do their work. This is the product that you actually can use every day. This is the beta hydroxy acids. It's very gentle and supportive to your skin. Queen Nani is also supportive to your skin, but in a different way. This is not the product you want to use every day. I've already said that. 5 days, 1 week to 10 days. You use thinnest veil. It really does its job. So with 6 months, the mini and the biggie will be complete. And that's intentionally how it was done. I was thinking of making this product in a 30 ml, but then what I realized, if I were to put it in a 30 milliliter jar, I guarantee you will use too much. I guarantee that you would use more than you need to. With it being in this small jar, you're almost intentionally, unintentionally using less than you think you should, which in actuality, you're using exactly how much you should be using. So it's all done with you to use thinnest veil to really help your skin turn over, release that top dead layer so you can continue really getting the full benefits of all of the hydration, balms, and actives that follow. And a little segue here, which I love segues. When I did not have Queen Nani in my ritual, what I've noticed is that I could actually feel this top layer of that very thin, you know what I mean, that top thin layer of skin. That's like, I would put moisturizer, I would put my Hawaiian hydration, even after I cleanse, I could feel that the thinnest layer of dead skin, and I could feel that my oils were not penetrating. I've noticed that I would reach for an extra pump of Vitality Elixir. This has happened to me like last month, and I was like, wait a minute, this is not the season when I should be using more Vitality Elixir. And then I started to catch up and be like, oh, because my skin knows that I have been doing this for the last year and a half or so, 2 years. I have been helping my skin remove that dead layer of cells, so that I can really absorb and really take what it needs. So in other words, Queen Nani also helps you save money on other products, because you will need to use less of your balm, less of your oil, less of your hydration, because you will use exactement, I've spent time in France, exact amount to get all the benefits that your skin needs, and all of them will be fully absorbed, fully drenched right into those fresh, young, youthful, or brand new, better way of saying it, brand new layers of skin, after you have helped your skin turn over and leave behind all that you no longer need. So that is Queen Nani. It is back in stock. I have secured to make sure that we will have fresh stocks of acids coming in. I've had challenge of, funny enough, I had challenge sourcing papaya enzyme, which is like everywhere here, but the kind of papaya enzyme that I wanted, I wasn't able to find. But now we've secured it, so I don't foresee shortage of Queen Nani coming in. So you can rely on treating your skin to that regular resurfacing, and you can treat your hands to the sensation of the fresh baby balm smooth skin of your cheeks, of your forehead, and the luminosity of your complexion that you truly get from when you just remove all of the skin cells that you no longer need. So I hope this was helpful. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe. We're just restarting to add more information to our channel. And if you have questions, please let me know. I would really love to hear from you. I would love to hear how I can be of better support, information on ingredients, on usage, on how to make your ritual, your skincare ritual, more empowering. Of course, if you are interested, there is a podcast, Skin Spirit Sacred with Merina Eldon. And I will mention here the book, Ground and Be Free, which does not directly connect to Queen Nani, but it does connect to creating a wholesome experience of your beauty ritual, which is what MAHALO Skincare and me personally are all about. So thank you for joining me, chatting about Queen Nani. Again, Nani is a Hawaiian word that means beautiful. So you are unveiling yourself, Queen Beautiful. Aloha.